In this video, I'm going to show you how to get approved for level 5 options trading on Webull. So number one is that you need to have a margin account on Webull, not a cash account. So in order to actually apply for a margin account, what you would need to do is you need to go over here to the bottom menu and select over here where it says menu. And then you want to go ahead and select on the option over here that says settings. It should be right underneath shortcuts. So go ahead and press on that, then go ahead and select on account management. Okay, once you're in account management, all you want to do is you want to scroll down and then you want to press on this option that says apply for new accounts. And from here, you guys are able to actually make a margin account. Now, I'm going to be real with you guys. Getting approved for level 5 options trading is not very easy. So on top of having a margin account, you will need a high net worth and income. Webull often looks for at least $50,000 in net assets. And also, you will need extensive trading experience, multiple years of option trading preferred, and a high risk tolerance. You must be comfortable with potential unlimited losses. Now, you guys might be probably wondering, well, how do I actually improve my odds? If you get rejected, reapply after improving your experience and financials. Make sure that you trade actively on Webull to build history. So it's really important that you actually, use Webull regularly and you show that you are reliable and that you're someone who knows what they're doing. And honestly, one really good way is getting a level 3 or 4 first and then request an upgrade. You're much more likely to actually get level 5 if you did like level 4 or level 3 beforehand. And also, it's really important that you increase your net worth and liquidity in the account. And if you have already applied for level 5 and for whatever reason you haven't been approved, then what you could also do is you can go ahead and reach out to Webull customer support and ask for reconsideration. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.